So every once in a while I get the question to show my entire collection. Now I've done this a couple of times on the channel before. Now these are mostly outdated, so I figured I'd update this one for all of the new subscribers that have come since and haven't watched the older videos, and also just to update the guys that might be interested in my entire collection. Now I've started building model kits about 12 years ago, and of course, just like anyone else, I pretty much started from the bottom, made a lot of mistakes, did a lot of weird things, built a lot of weird things, and also ruined a couple of models here and there. And of course, not all of them are great. Some are better than others, and others previously were better than the ones that came after. But again, live and learn. No biggie, just have fun building these models. Now this is the final update I will do of the entire collection. I'm thinking about doing a couple of different videos, going into a bit more depth on the specific models that I still have, as some of them have been given away to friends, family, and also some of the lucky winners that I chose for a couple of giveaways a couple years back. Plus, some were commission builds by customers, so of course these are no longer with me, but with the customer itself. So the way I want to structure these future videos is pretty much the video you see here, but then taking the models that I still have out of their display cabinet and onto my bench, just going over a couple of mistakes and methods I used on the build itself, and just going over the model in a lot more detail than just one picture as shown here. Now let me know in the comment section below how you want to see me structure these videos. I'm thinking about doing multiple videos about specific years of me building, or also just a couple of sections of interesting models. Anyway, let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll structure it in the future and start uploading them as soon as I can. One final thing I do want to mention, that is of course that I've been building scale models for about 12 to 13 years, but I have not been making videos for that long. I started making videos about 6 years ago roughly, and therefore a lot of these models have not been on video and are not on my channel. From about the 3-minute 49 mark, most of the builds that followed from there are filmed and on the channel, so if you want to, feel free to check out the videos on those. They are on the channel. Not all of them, but most of them are. But for now, that's it for me on this video. Enjoy the collection. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below.